My therapist introduced me to the concept of Soberlink. It was the missing piece. It's very simple. You decide how many times a day. For me, it was twice a day in the morning and then towards bedtime, like in the evening. Once I got into the routine of it, I didn't really have to think about it too much. I would just put in the tube through the device, submit a test, takes a couple seconds, test goes through, good to go till the next time. I was using another substance. I started getting into recovery for that and then decided, I guess I can use alcohol safely. That was not the case. I was very much mistaken, but before I realized that that was a danger I shouldn't be flirting with, I had already got too far and it rapidly became just as much a problem, if not worse. It was an issue in every part of my life, my family, in my work, my personal life. No one could trust me and I couldn't trust myself. My therapist was the one that introduced me to the concept of Soberlink. We knew we had a big problem to address. Our battle was far from over. She knew Soberlink. She'd worked with clients before who used it successfully, and it was what she recommended for me. As soon as I started using it, I had no qualms that it was going to help because it was the missing piece, that missing layer of accountability. It was very simple to use, very subtle and discreet. It's a very individualized approach, so you can choose the number of times you want to test yourself per day. You can also choose who monitors the device, so it's really groundbreaking for me. It restored the trust that I have in my relationship with myself and with my closest family members, all of my family members, and my loved one. I could take on responsibilities and be accountable to them in ways I never thought I could ever before.